Hi everyone, it's Naomi, and I'm really happy to be here with you today. This video is a new try-on from my haul channel, and I'm showing a very elegant combination that I really like. I have these beautiful white ankle strap heels that look so clean and simple. They give a classic shape that feels soft and feminine, and they go perfectly with the sheer black pantyhose that I picked for this look. I love how the contrast between the white heels and the black pantyhose looks so balanced and stylish. It's a mix that feels timeless and always attractive. The heels are light and delicate, and I like the little ankle strap detail because it makes them fit perfectly and stay in place. I think this pair is one of those that can look great for any moment, and I'm excited to share it with you. I hope you enjoy spending this time with me and watching how this elegant look comes together. I really like how this combination of white ankle strap heels and sheer black pantyhose looks. The heels feel light and comfortable, and the ankle strap makes them fit perfectly. The height is just right, and they make every step feel soft and elegant. The black pantyhose adds a nice contrast that makes the white color stand out even more. I think this look is classic and simple, but still very stylish and feminine. I enjoy finding outfits that look delicate and easy to wear at the same time, and this one feels exactly like that. I'm happy to share it with you, and I hope it gives you a little inspiration for your own looks. Thank you so much for watching and for being here with me. You can subscribe if you want to see more of my try-ons, or leave a comment to tell me what you think. I send you a warm hug, and hope to see you in the next video.